A diagnosis is extremely serious.
Expanding their knowledge, about 20 school counselors from across the district are taking a course with the Citadel to help them become licensed professional counselors.
After the COVID pandemic started, it was evident that there was an increase in trauma and emotional challenges with students, and even some of our staff experienced those challenges. Therefore, I reached out to the Citadel and asked if they would partner with us.
I like to be interactive.
To include the abnormal behavior course so our counselors can be able to identify those disorders, assess the students accurately, and this course will give them the skill set to do that.
The 7-week course meets Wednesdays at Battery Creek High School to provide student counselors with an in-depth understanding of various psychological disorders.
They're going to understand some of the causal factors for these disorders. They're going to understand some of the current treatments for these disorders.
Attempts to conduct a diagnosis in one session, that is really, really ambitious.
They will have really tremendous insight into the different disorders that their students may be experiencing.
By completing the course, the educators will be able to provide comprehensive mental health and substance abuse counseling. This training prepares them to work with individuals and families in treating mental, behavioral, and emotional problems and disorders.
A lot of kids need additional help that I am limited to what I can do. And hopefully with this class, I can expand what I can do for them.
I think the biggest thing for me would be able to devise a plan for every student that I work with individually. I think sometimes we have some overlapping things with students, but I think if we can get the tools to develop a plan that's going to effectively change his behaviors, and not necessarily at a quicker rate, but a more effective rate with our students, that's what I'm looking forward to do the most.
With this course, I hope to learn about diagnosing and how to better understand the mental health aspect and what to do as far as outside of the school, because usually we just do referrals. So this is going to be nice because this is the other side that we send other students and families to. So we'll get to know that part.
In addition to this course, the school counselors will also have to complete 1,300 hours of individual and group counseling. To complete the entire process takes about 2 years. When completed, counselors will have earned their LPC licensure. The course will be offered again in August for any other interested school counselors. At Battery Creek High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
So that kind of engagement, I think, will really help us all.